But the came, I'm in that production team now. I was away for about 3 weeks. The 18 days. I went to 2 weekends in the film with the Anacha Manchakra 12 pe. The 2 weeks in the crowd, man, shed then the BS. I don't know. Pine, Jabidru. Blistowell, nay, ask Sandy Tigo, we are there. CJ, and a trim. Johanna, my better masona, you take a crana. You be doing a pressure. Say, you won't more than a bar. The team ring in us. Say, on board more than trim my. The original is here. And you assume that fit they am quitting. Now, Father was one who, Pesa what say DBS. Debbie, I make catch us program it to me, Ghana drew. Show it to me, Ghana drew. Your friend Faber was. Now, baby, a free bedroom cry, Hano. That dear, ye say. But I know you ever can in that. Na me number be na me who say ye come here ambulance no. Many G. Me bombing some the President of the Republic. Because 2017, in the first meet the press now of Flagstaff House. HN ye best Sandy ye be in the Jubilee House. And ye coin them Kobusa Akra say Ghana ya ambulance na carrying na kat 38. Oba then ambulance ni bia ba ka ho. And na year no. Me mother history. And on one kasama who say na asem na me busa ho question no na de me kan kra na ofom. Say oh, you fam ambulance bra budget in corner the corner 100 150 no aye ni na be 307. Na ni pe bia dwen you say ambulance 307 pa the Ghana ntiminto ma me ka say we na fa two trim the whole Africa. This is the single largest procurement of ambulances the whole of Africa. Ebinsi da in the history, in the health history of Africa, the whole Africa, from the north to the south, from the east to the west, Ebinsi da. That a single procurement of 307 ambulances at a time, bam, Ebinsi da. And when me catch up, he says, "Ne ya tuaba pa kama tuama nanado." Today, say, "See ya me jina hey, ballot box to see see ya kama tuatim." Why am I saying this? Because say na wudimachi and ye kwa rounds and a wu nipa awaka no na yenya ambulance mfa ne ntum na wawu na ne ba no so wu ane yema ka be hu nana this one, oh, I salute you, sir. Where your first gun salute 1, gun salute 2, gun salute number 3. Why are they? The ambulances no what traba their commission near the core. So we in Centroni now catch up and you say we here or mine here dear way or mine here dear way na penny in a year woman a more. It's in Anna Modio. Monso afen na mekọ commission munja san class 7 no. En class 7 man. Hey. President Ejina Independence Square and the 307 ambulances are due commissioned. Yeah. What's the quadru go? What's that come class 7 patrol jai? It's in region there class 7 matesa pack or region coordinating council. Mun distributu. And yet, then you can call ambulance here. When some year, Kayon and Crawford, and distributed, I bed and cough a baby at Munche. Now, Mom Nana, may you mash my dear be home. Nana, I am yes a wounding cry. May you mash me, a dear be home. Corruption, no, Nana. Imagine ya me say aje wonsam Eya me say agye wonsam me use eya me say ko say bia na kyena bibi beba minim but say ya pa every 2017 besi ne 3rd February nana eya me say corruption no agye wonsam me dia beba ko na oyere na den and na hwan dey na me anya me hwan cause me medical ka say the NDC and the MPP difference a woman nyina say esrobia ne papa ba won mama ye baako. They come from the same mother with different fathers. Nana, your grandma and confirm yira ye. How jida? Nana kumia, baby abranche to a combo you so hokuta the phone. Or shall check it. Short sleeve it. That time na sa tokrom ho, a hona pana member setna, and then Nana kumia to her, and then confirm the Kobokina, 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 and confirm the Kobokino, Captain confirm no Mabadabe, and I'm sure Nana grab me cake or has a mindi, and confirm no Bokina and Famra. Confirm na banana. Na minim sanka sade jida tia de pa na kanye ye kranka by now. Oh. Ke bibia si. Hwinsi yo bra. Nana, hwinsi. Afa ye kwada sore ya. Nana wo time. Yesi abobo ya 400 watu. Wamuso watu, wamada confirm say papa. Wamuso ko Bali. Burkina. Confirm ko Abobo ya 400. Your Excellency. Say no su baby egunu ayira. Abobo ya me yantamaya kametu makwa donche papa. Abobo ya tu ayira. Nana. Enu kura de abobo ya de seswa. Enye mwanwa. Afa ya kwada so ya si bibi ya friend Sikaveta. A 1, number 2, a 3, number 100, number 200, number 300, number 400, number 500. Excavator maku 500. Was it ho? Adiachi here. Almost so. Adansa powder, confokuta powder. Almost why that? Excavator. Excavator maku 500. Yehu. Woman there chrono powder. I hear one system. And near baby or one kitten, and it is na hardring. I am expecting, sir. One was share sa bobo yana so. And one was share excavator, a siho, any atabine, on timintu. Na excavator, say fam or co. Nana, where a woo. Excavator ni mu oduru chen Land Cruiser ba watimi ayira yeso wayira enya one pe de akase etu na nadwo obi ehu we enya one o dana enya one aban ni kra to de ba bonchen chese 300 it me fa aban 300 no excavator makoma 300 etimi ayira hey wo Ade dudu ye di tu amuna donko garam sefo di tu amuna donko esi wasa 300 powder ekọ I saw so for be here deliverance so tu no that's all tough from by force wa yira excavator na yira by one crofo wa hwe so okrom ha wo say ye binum na je ye ebinum na seize ye ebinum na confiscate ye ebinum na ehwe so minko bu sakura yesio yewo aposifo ne asojafo a wo adwuma ne se wo hwe excavators na yagigye sisi ho no so etina asojafo ne aposifo no omwan hey wanu mwan ena papa excavator no ko afamframa very serious. As I say, you to be trusted as of mine. Now you busa ya several questions. So na yɛde ne san kete ɔman na ne yɛsɛ no yɛbugum kakra yɛbubu no gum saa yɛde bɛbɛ yɛ ho so no ne yɛbu ne sɛ guam na obiara ne so ada ne hɔ but enye nduru saa brɛ no edu time a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtibi yire yɛ ho ne yɛbɔ nneɛma bi ho ban efisɛ akwada kura nne ne yɛwo no kura no asɛm we ɔte a ɛbɛyɛ ne bibi wahwɛ ɔbɛkasa by force anhwɛ akwada no ɔbɛkasa sabi excavator wɔ hɔ yi ontumi nkɔ 100 kilometers per hour minye nhia bi ebia ne yɛ excavator bi wɔ baabi a otumi kɔ 100 kilometers per hour na mpo excavator kɔ 100 kilometers per hour Land Cruiser kura obi wia apostle to me no Land Cruiser kura so obi wia a police fort bi chesi kɔkye no enti excavators ye tutu fa hen excavators no your excellency one wa wode say adwuma hia won sa no wo say excavators no ehin na tutu fa ye yey ehin that one dey near me di agro corruption no ya na di agro na ekum me makasa sa brofo da na e that is corruption wo ka je wo chewa no ho kakra sa wo smile corruption eyewudie corruption eyewudie he sa obi bom modern fa 1 million sa 1 million Ghana cedis na 1 million euro no woni bi de betimi aye ebetimi yesi 6 unit classroom block amen kwada atrema ko school na nsu oto a wo mandwane ankofie hey na je yetiomem na kwabrane aso say meji belt hook allowance yenye ne hwe belt enye belt na nkasa o enye belt no hwe enye belt no hook we ni yetikroyim ni yesi obi ji belt hook allowance enye belt ahoma we nka ho hook belt hook allowance obi so je bottom allowance ni ye ni age enye shirt na she no bottom allowance yet your memo akwabra na say 20 days how the adwuma official do working days Monday to Friday 4 20 days say secure the aqua lunch 100,000 Ghana cedis 1 billion adoya ponko we are ponko 300,000 Ghana cedis obiat me nyane pare what one ya kofa buying pickup I did 2 years a pet, you told them 2 years. Now, Oceania, etimi akwato ansa, no se ma fa ba ko atoso. Jenny. Na se chiwa kura to yi, Jenny hima se chiwa kura to yi. Aya do to tonje na ya otoso. Se ma ton pick up ansa, me de ba ko atoso. Me de atoso. Now I question the Public Accounts Committee. No I catch him say to err is human. Na ya hwe nanim saa to air is human na ya jan so go to air is with so to air is a human na ya jan na to air is human no ko hey no ko free obi asme nya hwe cause okay to air is human besi na you want at ho asem bi hey why not ho asem bi edumra wo ho hwe corruption ye didi agro wo ko countries na ya na moye na Europe ni America na human right to hwi ni ho kwajina France abonten kwajina America abonten di nsamfo na kacha say human right ho wo be say human left so wo wiase kwajina ho na ye dia opɛ gugwa wo be huru say yes something day Yeah, sorry, and a human right, the human right. What can human right when it comes to corruption? We are bringing Nipana for 1 million Ghana citizens. Hospital sika wedi, a coin sika wedi, school dine sika wedi a school dine, baby a man, you remember Quaco, wedi, I know they won't come in. Yay! They are changing a man kakra human rights. Me the Debbie Mekacho me say. Don't always think of human rights. There's a human left. Left to swallow. Human na me human ya me what right we no. Me left to sunie. E do time say dufu nipa. Ma wa mo ti ase. Go to Europe and see. Kofa one city. The American said we should read the American Revolution, the German Revolution, and then the French Revolution. Let's see how they fought corruption. Na baby no the human rights here advance so to club ha wundru baby asa we say there some human rights no dey here adwuma we dey there na here adwuma yeah prisons do do say nkra the club ha say you see a jeli ni patterns say say so obawie sika ye be baby do o maguo yey ba ne ma so e wanwan wo na chese ye tikro ibu so saa say ye kwoto aeroplane na aeroplane no na lie abem say aeroplane na ye kwa akoto do say aeroplane no esek cash kakra piem the sa branch na ana baba wana ye friend no intermediary 5 no ye hwan yey intermediary 5 oh ye hwan ba o de ma me kwa man so mra na me ba intermediary 5 Solomon Owusu ya mining engineer of Colorado, United States. Solo, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Nice to say.
Oh, boko ha na mom Colorado ha de yikase na atwe wa ha ye gamancha wa ha wa kantene guma Saturday be na ye be kata na chinti ani braba.
Oh, nyame fa ne kransie yi ma ye friend is saying didn't say.
Oh, your friend no Lydia ye de Emmanuel Kroma gamacha ba ni dia kasa de Mr. Harrison Koku Amate or 77 years. No you be a wapua Ghana community no hapa watne krum ha che Ghana community o Colorado high over 6,000 wabua ma sebi o mun krata semni ade ne chibi kotum no okuyi o mun ne ade no obuan kofo nya krata papa na sum nipa me ade minim no ne mom madam fo ne da abusuan panyi wa ha so no na wa ma me dwumadi esu no kubi me ya santini 100% ba wa ma me dwumadi esu no ko a wo mo free Ghana eba different countries eba different states eba nyina wa ma me dwumadi esu no kubi a me didi abo mo enti ya ha de eni breso ne yewo
Mamenda was na fe yembra aya na me hu sa wo send me niam bebre me cause sometimes when you adaje ko social media I see a lot of things you posting but and then make excavators say 300 or say 500 or remember me fa buying figure no 300 pieces say it is why say comfort powder you say excavators na ira una odi mining so much uhunu say
yo minia captain me da se se ka excavator me obi a my excavator ho adwuma as a mining engineer me started as a geologist e will go for excavator na yedi tu or anyway
okay yenye ne say aya na nipa bi ntini am bi ase e bi fi say bi ase bi buru say bi anya ado wonye obi a bi sa na sorry a na otrotro nsem na akeka kan say hu no wo ye hwan ya ye kasa Solomon Owusu ye hwan
yo captain me da sine akunya odi ama me say me de na unime me de na me pese me yi me ho adi bebre sa
ayi ene de yi
wo ka Solomon Owusu a Solomon Owusu is a mining engineer and Solomon Owusu enya ne bachelor's degree in geological engineering from University of Mines and Technology yeah time na ye KNUST School of Mines and almost son here in UMass. From there no Solomon Owusu ye adwuma as a geologist and senior geologist. It will go for Takwa from 2004 all the way to 2011. Now that time, now we will leave the two Kwanko UK, US, South Africa, near there. And I'm say, we see the Equate Review until 2011. I resigned by my master's at New Mexico Institute of Mining and Technology. I know me master's in mining engineering. From there, I went to Arizona, Nevada, and Sana. 2015, Nina admission to the world's best #1 mining engineering institution in the whole world, your friend Colorado School of Mines. Iminya am said that be mean this sketchy. My men's me PhD. It's also me start here. Me guswa me wo ni wie mu anisa. But PhD ni mo no so no me bachelor's and a master's for adie geostatistics, underground mine design, surface mine design. And also Anton Chan me am my company e Ghana and also so edwuma mama and also make consult me sign consultant edwuma America krom ha in the mining engineering field. And Anton Chan me the politics so na me say me dream Ghana ho na me feel say as a Ghanaian na my to me nyame adom me mama ko the best mining school which mining engineering department also I'm the only Ghanaian, not only African may the PhD in mining engineering.
Okay, we kakreyaye. Afi yanko excavators.
Yeah, makuma da Ghana o say nimdiena mission ha no me de bebo. Enu tina magic and am say asema tumu a. Obi ntiase no.
Afi yanka excavators. What say ye we feel say?
Me say excavator no asema aban menua say ye di nukre e yo man ya ye di nukre pa wo mu a president Kufuado eba o de say yen say obi a o ye corrupt bia mana bam a o de katre ya yen so ye campaign de ta na ti a so sen kasabre either say wama interministerial committee for ministers ni nyina resign anase waji o mu nyina di say nyo mu nyina kora ni titine ni your friend Professor Frimpong Watin Sabrin so ujinadi because over katre ye say excavated o de almost 300 call de ye o de mamin twom trend o de mamin ka say 5 crown na yira. How come say excavators are illegal mining mo na mo say illegal mining no mu betu ase ma wo mo ye galamsey no mo ye mo ntete pa mo enya documentations aye adwuma ma enam so Ghana yensu a ese no yesia no kwan yensase a ese no yesia no kwan na mo sa nipa we ya mutumi kwoti excavators no na mo wi a mo sa tonton se efahin o se mo ye den yo
debi de ton de menye sure say Solomon sure say what evidence to the fact say ya ton ye yenim ni sa yira
me kasa ni say te captain team ye Saturday me pa che utie news fa
debi mentie
Concerned Small Scale Miners Association president atunanum to say excavators no owo nyina so say o matonton enya me na make obi otie news fa wo Ghana bi atie
media mentie
captain enti sana ade na koye enti me no the Concerned Small Scale Miners Association ni eka ema odibi kwa ye mfato ho say omo kwoti bi wo na Bronco Accra FM so miti omo so omo kwoti bi wo Borga excavators no ewo individuals in some now first captain excavators wa woni excavator how heavy it is and no kwan no emre bia makwan wo the whole world say a faculty so in chance na excavator you be move no from one city to another city no at say ye dey see low bed so ye two excavators no e dey see low bed so at transport to another city and non tonten say Operation Vanguard for ne Ganam so for no Kochi Garamsey na omo to key no e de koto o makachi ho ente ye den no munya key e de cost park ye etu ye e de si low bed so e mo de koya ayira na pato captain excavator e won taban e pato etu o de minim say o de international traveler and last 3 weeks class 2 weeks na o France minim ni na o de o ji wadi pa na me pese me bisa say aeroplane crash o tinema ansa na ne won taban ye betu no yes parke Professor Frimpong Watin so tele Ghana for say Ghana excavators nko among excavators who we are nko de on spark cry ho na no nya taban na tu na e 40% confirm sa na omo pass ya na asem we ya asem o say Ghana for taking lightly ada Chebi Otafra Temini Ghana for Yenia Bie Yenimnia Kosu. Messi excavators in the bed, a quiet fast way to Mumiyano, woman call Hembra. Excavator about $500 million. And see, now my name is almost a trend, medium say 500.
550,000.
$500,000.
Yeah, 550. Yeah.
$500,000. And what they multiply 500 now, you are talking about $250 million, which is about 1.3 billion Ghana cedis. If I have
Ayira.
if I saw if I have one more say almost say Ayira dia, and you want to see Canema if a Ghana for now, you find intuition.
Solo Mamenda was a member in tea.
Captain Mr. Meadows,
Yamia Duma Wukia Betwaso, and the minimum.
no problem, Medasi. Yo, bye bye.
And I could share airbus in tea as a member no coffee. A question kakra. It's my main fancy here. Me for only 5 callers. Number 5 pay. Oh, Yabutre. Okay. Yamfa for this one. Facho nyami aduma Wednesday. Mema kwa mo afre. Nyami aduma Wednesday. Mema kwa ma wetimi afre. Ma me fa fa be wo so no nsi ha.